What up? Good morning, Minnesota historians! It's Tuesday! Tuesday of a 4-day week. It's like Wednesday. Oh my goodness! I'm coming back at you. Miss Hawes here, checking in, seeing how you're doing. Your little update for the day. So let's get at it, all right? I'm here to tell you what's going on today. Hopefully yesterday on Monday you got your new bell ringer sheet from Google Classroom on your new note-taking sheet on Chapter 11. This is the last week we will spend time talking about the Minnesota industries, so make sure that you are accessing that information this week on iron mining. It's really important, all right? So let's take a look at what we got going on. You ready? Here we go. This is our learning flow map. What are we going to do? How are we going to do it? What do we need to get done? Make sure that you're reading each slide carefully. Today, Tuesday, April 28th, here are your bell ringer questions. What is one thing made of iron you could not live without? What couldn't you live without? And then, have you ever been to the Iron Range? Have you ever been to that part of Minnesota that they call the Iron Range, that northeastern part of the state? Here's your entry ticket. Make sure that you're clicking on this link, answering the question to get your daily point. You're going to read the text a little bit and you're going to take some notes, all right? This bit of text is important. Please take a moment to read this passage about iron ore and why it's important to our state. If you're not in the mood to be reading in detail, you can click on this link here that you see to have the passage read aloud to you. This link will take you to a different website where I've recorded reading this passage, so feel free to just sit back and listen, but take it in because it's important, and you're going to need to know today what natural resources, what people, and what machines were used in the iron industry. So make sure that you're reading in your ebook 1114 to 1118 to find that information. That's it. That's all you have to do today. So take a look at those ebook pages, listen to them, read them carefully, and make sure you know some different resources, people, and machines. These are not required, but if you're interested in some quick videos that may help you have a better understanding of what mining is or how it works, they're really quick. 15 seconds, 30 seconds, take a listen. This is just checking in to make sure you've completed everything you've done, your bell ringer questions, your reading and your notes. And then there are another couple of very short videos on iron and on mining and innovation. So take a look at those if you have time, if you want something a little bit extra to do, if you're bored and you're curious, or if you're just wanting to know more information about our history in the state. Please take a look at those, all right? If you have questions, as always, please email us, Mr. Ziegler, or me, and ask those questions. We are here to help you, okay? Hope you're having a wonderful week. Hope you enjoyed the sunshine yesterday. Yesterday was a beautiful day. And have a great, happy Tuesday. All right, hang in there, you guys. I miss you. I hope you're doing well. And we'll talk to you soon. Bye.